everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a review of NAMJOSH headbands. You guys probably remember I first discovered them back in the fall time. They were kind enough to send me 3 headbands that you can probably see on me to share a review on my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller. And it's easy to say, you guys, I have absolutely fallen in love with the NAMJOSH headbands. And I've been wearing these, probably have seen them on my YouTube, on my Instagram with so many different outfits and stuff. I thought it was about time that I share a proper review because I've been wearing it since the fall. I've kind of weathered the fall season, the winter season, spring, and now we're kind of heading into summer, so I want to share that. But then I also received a new gift from NAMJOSH, so I'm so excited. These are new headbands that are releasing, and I'm so excited. I think there's about 5 in here, so I'm also going to be sharing a little unboxing with you too. So a huge thank you to NAMJOSH for gifting me these wonderful headbands to style with. I'm so excited to share them. I'm actually going to be creating some content for them over on my Instagram account, as mentioned, at Fashion Storyteller, but I thought it'd be fun to share it over here on YouTube too, because you guys can just kind of see my first impressions of the new ones and kind of what I'm thinking and stuff. So without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage, and let's head on over to today's video, you guys. Virtual cheers, you guys. Now I'm going to share an overview of the NAMJOSH headband. Now they do have different styles of headbands as well as other hair accessories you can definitely check out. And if you guys are interested in any of the NAMJOSH pieces, feel free to use my code EmilyDunbar10 to save 10% off your order. Each NAMJOSH headband is handmade in India, so the beadwork and the embroidery detailing that you're seeing was lovingly handmade, which is so cool. NAMJOSH is also a fair trade and sustainably run company, which I also really love. The classic style NAMJOSH headband is slightly narrowed at the bottom, then it goes out fuller, and then it narrows in at the top. They use a piece of fabric to taper in at the top. It looks beautiful, almost like a bow. You'll also see that the wired headband is sewn in by machine, so it stays in place when it's on your head. So that wire part of the headband isn't moving around. Each NAMJOSH headband is also lined, and it's always fun to see what the lining is going to be. It's always a little bit different from what is on top of the headband, which is really cool. You also find the carat tags, country of origin tags in there. And then for the beautiful part, the top of the headband, you'll always find some gorgeous beadwork, some embroidery, and they'll always have these beautiful gathers that they created. It extends from the top of the headband and then tapers down into the silhouette of the headband itself, which is just so pretty. And some of my favorite detailing, of course, is the beautiful sparkle. So to start off with the NAMJOSH headbands, I'm going to reference the 3 that I have worn since the fall time, which is Wheel of Fame, which is right here. And it is my go-to headband. I have blue eyes, so I find it really brings out the color of my eyes. I also just love the beadwork. As you can see, it's in a wheel design and it's done with denim, but surprisingly, I wear it with so many different outfits, including denim, but also just like cotton dresses and sweaters and all different things, and it just looks so gorgeous. The next headband is called Beige Peony, and to me, this is like all autumn vibes. It just has, as you can see, the beautiful beadwork in it. It has such a beautiful autumn vibe. There's some embroidery detailing on there too. And I just think of the autumn season when I'm putting this on. I still wore it into winter and into spring, but there's just something that just gives me the autumn vibes to this, and I just love it. The third headband I got back in the autumn season is called Crystal Queen, and it features this gorgeous golden detailed beadwork. There's a mixture of sequins, rhinestone, beads, and they kind of create like a leaf design, which is just so pretty. Now, as you can see, it comes in this beautiful hot pink, a magenta pink, and then has like gold fabric in the lining of it, and it's just such a pretty statement piece. I wore this in the winter season. I also wore it for Valentine's Day, but I think it would be a beautiful summer accessory as well with that hot pink. It's just so cheerful, and again, it adds, let me just put it on. It adds so much color and fun to it. It's so, so pretty. Needless to say, as you guys seen, I wear them so much, so I absolutely love wearing them. And one of the big reasons for me is that they add so much color to your face. So if there's a day where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, it just enhances my complexion, just like that shade of blue will make it really pop. The pink will make it really pop. So it's really nice on a day where I just don't want to put on a lot of makeup, but I still want to kind of, have that nice glow to myself. These are such a great way to add color to my face and all of that, which I love. Now, the other thing I absolutely love is they can just dress up an outfit. So if I'm not really sure what to wear, or if I'm wearing a cute outfit, I just want to have that final finishing touch. The NAMJOSH headbands, they are just so gorgeous just for dressing up an outfit. So here I'm wearing like a spring dress, as you guys can see, and I added beige peony, the headband on here. And it just adds to the outfit, if you know what I mean. Now that you've seen the overview, I'm gonna talk about when your NAMJOSH headband first arrives, because this is something that I learned to do. So I am very prone to migraines and headaches. So that means if I have some pressure, like too much from a ponytail or even from a headband, it can definitely kind of like aggravate my headache, my migraine symptoms. So when you first get the NAMJOSH headband, it has, as mentioned, that little metal headband piece in the inside, and it comes in a little bit more on the narrow side. So what I learned to do after kind of wearing it at the tightest part was that, oh, well, you know what? I can just lightly stretch it. But I recommend you just do it very gradually. So I just kind of bend it slightly like this. Because if you overextend, then you're gonna have to like bend it in, and you don't, this is something that I don't recommend doing. Like I do recommend doing it once and leaving it the way it is. You might hear Alice, my dog, barking there. I think Alice wanted to quickly say hi to you guys. She hears all these exciting things happening outside. So you just wanna lightly, I went like this, I just lightly stretched it, and then I test it out basically. So I'm gonna take this one off just to show you guys. So I lightly test it to see. Now you don't want to overextend too much or it's gonna like fall off your head, and you don't want to under it because obviously you don't want it to, like, if you're prone to migraines like me, you don't want it to like causing too much pressure either. So you just lightly bend it. So for instance, on my blue, just to, I can quickly compare to you guys, this one I haven't overly stretched at all. This one I've stretched out a little bit more. You can kind of see the difference a little bit there. But when I put it on, it's so comfy, it stays in place, but it's not like pushing on my head as much. So just lightly, like you wanna just lightly stretch it out just a little bit with that band, quickly test it, and then if it's still a little bit on the tighter side, do it again a little bit further, and then put it back on your head. And that's basically what I found to be the most comfortable, and that I can wear it like all day long, doesn't like aggravate my headache or migraine symptoms, and it looks so pretty and cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox the new headbands with you guys. I don't even know what they sent me, so I'm really excited to see. I brought a couple different outfits, so I'm excited to like put together some outfits to wear with these. We're gonna open up the box, and this is basically the like how they sent me the headbands last time. It comes in this beautiful cloth bag in this box, and then they also ship it in an additional box. So the headbands are all packaged really securely, eco-friendly too packaging, which I absolutely love. So here's a look at the bag so you guys can see, and the beautiful little tassels, just so cute, and it's like feels really beautiful packaging to open up. So we'll kind of dive in here, and then here is a look at the headbands. Oh my gosh, I see a cheerful yellow. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. So as you can see, they package everything so beautifully. They have these cardboard pieces to separate each headband. So the beadwork is protected, and the shape of the headband is also protected. You can see those little stickers there. All right, you guys, so I unpackaged everything. I left the little labels on for now, and I'm so excited. You can definitely see the summer colors referenced in each of these handmade headbands. I don't even know which one I want to try on first. The yellow one really like appeals to me. The rhinestone details with the pearl is so pretty. I also have, I don't know if you can see, I have little yellow flowers, this little like dandelions on this dress. So I think this would complement this dress so pretty. So I might have to try this one on first. We have this beautiful like, kind of like a starfish feel to it, like beachy vibes. So very excited. This orange, kind of like a rusty orange melon color. It looks so pretty. Then there's this green one, which has some beautiful sequined beadwork on it. And this one we have some beautiful embroidery sewn onto there and a couple of little bead accents on it. So let's get started with a little try on haul. And of course I'm going to try the yellow one on first. This one I just gravitate towards. I also, if you guys have seen on my channel, I have endometriosis, and the awareness color for endometriosis is yellow. And yellow has quickly become a color that I really gravitate towards. I just find it so cheerful and happy, but it also is a way for me to spread a little bit of awareness for endometriosis through fashion, through kind of accessories and stuff. So I really gravitated towards this. Plus, you guys know me, I love sparkle, and those rhinestones really catch the light. So here you can also see what the headband looks like when it first arrives too, as mentioned earlier. So it's very narrow. I'm not gonna like stretch mine out right now for you guys, just so you can see what it looks like when I put it on the first time I receive it. So here is a look. I just love the shape. I think it's just so flattering. As mentioned, they do have other styles though of headbands. You can definitely take a look. They have ones that are a little bit more narrow too. The name of this headband is called the Chartreuse Crystal Headband. It is gorgeous. As mentioned, the beautiful sparkling rhinestone detailing. It also has dainty pearl accents, and then the lining is gold and it sparkles. It surprised me. It was so pretty to see that in the inside. So lovely. Again, here is a look at the shape of the headband. That beautiful sparkle really does catch the light. And then when you put it on, it's really nice, lightweight. It is made of polyester, but very lightweight, so pretty, and I love this, probably one of my favorite ones. The next one I want to try on is this one that looks like it has a starfish. It just gives me like beach, ocean vibes. It's so pretty. It's this pale blue, and you have a pink lining in the inside. So let's try this one on. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. I can picture myself wearing this on the beach, like beachy vibes. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love that. If you look closely, you can also spot a seahorse, and they've added tulle in addition to the sequins and beadwork of the seahorse, which I love, makes it really pop out. There's also pink rhinestone detailing on the starfish, and it just sparkles so much. It really catches the light. It's made of 100% cotton, so it's super breathable, especially on a hot summer day. And it is also lightweight, which is also an added bonus for summer too. The next one we're gonna try on is this orangey, it's like a little kind of melon, rusty orange color. Super pretty. The lining, if you guys can spot it, has a floral detail to it. So pretty. And then the beadwork pattern is so pretty. Let's try this one on. Oh my gosh. So I wasn't sure what I was gonna think about the orange, but that's actually a really fun pop of color. It's really fun for summer too, but I also could totally see myself wearing this in autumn as well. What do you guys think? Okay, let's zoom in and let's take a closer look at this one. The Arancio headband is so pretty. It is so golden with like these warm tones. You can see that beautiful beadwork. It is also made of 100% cotton, so it's very breathable and lightweight. And I just love that sparkle. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. All right, so the next one I am actually really excited for. It's this green headband. It has this lovely kind of sheen to it in the fabric, beautiful sequin beadwork. The lining is black on the inside part of it. It looks so pretty. It almost has like kind of a aqua bluey feel to it as well. So I'm gonna pop this one on. Oh my gosh. So here's this one. Oh, it's very lightweight too. So some of the ones I showed you, like the denim, it has like a slightly heavier weight because denim is like naturally like a slightly heavier material. This one is very light in comparison. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's zoom in on this one. The name of this headband is called the Kehlani Headband, and it features this monochrome teal color, again with those beautiful sequins. It kind of reminds me of like water flowing almost. It is just so gorgeous. It's very pretty, and again, lightweight as well. And then the last one I have to share is this pink one. And it has like kind of a reddish orange embroidery to it, that like kind of hot pink, magenta pink to it, and then little tiny beadwork details on it. And then the lining is kind of like a darker red there. Let's try this one on. I'm actually really excited for this one too. It's not as like hot pink as the one I just showed you, but oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one I definitely see as like, kind of makes me think of a summer sunset. So let's zoom in on this one and take a closer look. The name of this headband is called Magenta Rain. As you can see, the beautiful embroidery detailing and the beadwork. I love that this is hand done. You just have such appreciation for someone who's working on this. It is made of 100% polyester, and then it has that fun little lining like the hot pink in the inside too. And just in case you guys are curious, here is a look at Crystal Queen with this style headband. You can kind of compare the pink shades together. And that is it for today's NAMJOSH review video and unboxing. A huge thank you again to NAMJOSH for gifting me these headbands to review and style with, as well as this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. If you're interested in any of the items I've shown for like headbands and stuff, I will actually have links to each of the headbands as well as the names down below in the description bar of this video. Also, if you're interested in purchasing any NAMJOSH headbands, feel free to use my code EmilyDunbar10 to save 10% off your order from NAMJOSH. If you have any questions about NAMJOSH headbands, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer, or you're also welcome to send me a DM over on my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, you guys.